Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the download speed of your Epic Games download. Now, make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, without wasting more time, let's begin. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply hit Window plus R key on your keyboard to open the run command on your Windows, and then inside that, just simply type %local app data and again %. Just simply write that as you can see right over here, then hit OK. Now the local app data folder will open. So over here, just simply search for Epic Game Launcher. As you can see right over here, double click it, then go to saved, then go to config, now Windows, and over there you should find a file called engine. Just simply double click it. Now over here, sometimes you might find some codes, but most of the times it should be black. Now just simply paste the codes that is given to you in the description box below. Then just simply go to file and save. Then close this. Now again, right click on the engine, hit properties and choose read only over here. Then apply and OK. Now this was the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. Now the second step, you need to go to the task manager of your Windows. So for doing that, right click on your start menu, task manager. Now over here, just simply search for Epic Game Launcher. You can just simply press E on your keyboard. Now again, right click on the Epic Game Launcher, click on go to details. Now over here again, right click, change priorities or set priorities, then choose high over here, then click on change priority. Now that's it for the second step. Now let's move on to the third step. Now the third step, just simply open your Epic Game Launchers. So just simply open Epic Game Launcher, then go to your account, go to settings. Now scroll down and make sure the throttle download is unchecked. As you can see right over here, it is unchecked in mine. Make sure it is unchecked. Then close the Epic Game Launcher and restart the Epic Game Launcher after that. Now the fourth step, what you have to do is simply right click on your start menu. Then go to network connections. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Again scroll down, click on manage network adapter option. Now over here you will find the Ethernet that you're using. So just simply right click on that. It may be Wi-Fi or internet cable itself. Choose whichever you are using. Then right click, properties. Then double click on IPv4 over here. Now just simply copy these DNS over here, as you can see right over here. So you can copy that and then hit OK. Then close all of the options over here. And then let's move on to the next step. Now in the fifth step, again, just simply right click on your start menu. This time, just simply go to device manager. Now over here, go to your network adapter, which is probably the first one. Or in some cases, if the first one isn't your network adapter, just simply search for your network adapter. Then just simply click on update drivers. Then click on search automatically for drivers. Now if you have a network adapter update, it will show you right over here, then update that. And in my case, I don't have one. So just simply close the option and let's move on to the next step. Now in the sixth step, what you can do is just simply reinstall the application entirely. So for doing that, just simply go to your control panel, then click on uninstall a program. Now just simply choose Epic Games. Choose Epic Games Launcher over here, then click on uninstall and then reinstall the entire application. Now in some cases, there might be a problem in the Epic Games servers. So what you can do is just simply check whether the server is available or not for the particular game that you're looking. So as you can see right over here, so you can just simply type in this particular link over here, shown to you on the screen. Just simply type that and you will come to this particular page. Now see whether the server for your game is available or not. You can click on the plus icon or the square icon over here to see if all the servers are available or not. As you can see, for example, in Fortnite, the Epic Games Store, Epic Online Service, or mostly anything that is related to Epic Games, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.